Together for Palestine.
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 Palestina.
Together for Palestine.
We have to tell the truth on behalf of the people of Palestine.
It's always been the artist's role in society to speak out, to risk speaking truth to power.
Together. We know that the leaders of this country are complicit in the mass murder of civilians in Gaza and the West Bank.
फ़लस्तीन के लिए एक साथ
Juntos por Palestina.
Lekela ar son na Palestine.
हम फ़लस्तीन के लिए एक साथ
Asi Palestine the Nalhan.
In Ein Foglesh on Palestine.
Together for Palestine.
It's important to speak out now, not when this is over. Right now, while it's happening.
For Palestine.
Pressurize your government. Lend your support to those who are peacefully campaigning.
For Palestine.
Call for a ceasefire. Stop the killing.
Y vamos a estar con ellos hasta que Palestina sea libre.
Together for Palestine.